Welcome to LaProng Jewelers affiliate program, DIY to create your own engagement ring or wedding ring. LaProng Jewelers is the only custom jeweler near you in Dallas-Fort Worth, offering a hands-on, DIY make your engagement ring and make a wedding ring experience for people interested in making custom and meaningful wedding rings. Make diamond engagement rings or wedding bands or both. Get coached through the process from start to finish, helping to handcraft your wedding rings. This is the #1 place to make engagement rings and the best make your own wedding ring workshop near me in Dallas, Texas. Made with love. Actions speak louder than words. The consciousness with which jewelry is made is often more important than the jewelry itself. Express your feelings through the labor of love. Custom and unique ring designs. Every piece of custom jewelry is unique in the fact that you help made it and customize it. Unforgettable experience. Every step of the process will be captured with pictures and video. Come build an engagement ring or build a wedding ring in this award-winning experience. Become a partner and earn. Join the LaProng Jewelers affiliate program and profit from this unique experience. Promote a unique product. Share a truly one-of-a-kind experience.